Sakura's somewhere else, and Kakashi-sensei doesn't want to talk to me, and Sasuke's somewhere else. I gotta figure out something to do. I got it! I'll search for the Great Demon Dog Bear! Aha! Hey you! Do you know where I can find the Great Dog Demon Bear? Huh? Can you say anything else other than I need your help here.
Go ask Deidara.
And who is Deidara? Guess I'll go find someone else then. Hey, are you Deidara?
Art is an explosion.
Okay, but are you Deidara?
What's it to ya?
You see, I ran into some guy, and he kind of looked dressed like you, and then he told me to ask some guy named Deidara where the Demon Dog Bear is, because I'm in the search for him.
Well, the two zombie twins might know, but they're kind of zombie-ish.
The what?
The zombie twins, Kiden and Kakuzu.
And I gotta ask them. Wait, why can't you just tell me? Why do they know?
Boom, boom, bang, 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 boom, 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 boom.
Man, I'm having such a hard time trying to find a stupid dog demon. Nobody knows where it is, and I always have to go and ask somebody else. I mean, somebody's gotta... Hey, wait a second. Hey, are you guys, oh, wait a second.
I told you I'm not happy about this. I don't care. I'm tired of walking and my feet hurt.
Hey, I'm trying to ask you something.
Where's she one?
She?
He?
Hey, what? Hey, are you, Hikazu and Kaden?
Hikazu? Kaden. I'm Kakuzu, and I'm Hiden.
Okay, same thing, whatever.
Not the same thing.
Hey, I just have a question, okay? Do you know where to find the dog demon bear? That's all I want to know.
The what? Well, I know someone who knows where it is, but why should I tell you?
Because I need to know. Because it's just important.
How much money will you give me?
Nothing. I don't have any... I don't have any money. I have nothing.
A broke ninja is a foolish ninja. Wait, I'm broke. I don't care. Shut up.
Wait, I'll have you know, I'm gonna be the #1 Hokage.
Ha!
Just tell me where the stupid
I once
dog
fought
is.
the first Hokage.
Okay, I don't need your lecture. Just tell me where the stupid dog is.
No. She's looking at you funny.
Just tell me.
Well, the Akatsuki leader might know. Ask Pain. He's a ginger.
Okay, I've had to ask way too many of you people. Is this the last guy I'm gonna ask? Because really, it's getting really annoying.
No.
Oh my Atlanta, are you Pain?
Yes.
Wait, I'm sorry, but why are you blue?
I wanted to look like a blue, voluptuous blueberry.
I don't want to know about your problems. Anyway,
Good.
Look, okay, I've been to so many people that look just like you, and I just have a simple question, but none of them can answer.
They are not all blue.
I know, but they're dressed like you, okay? My question is, look, I've been called a girl, I've been running from explosions, okay? I've been through everything. I just want to know where the dog demon bear is. Can you help me at all, sir? Look.
Almighty push.
Look, I don't want to fight, okay? I just want to know where the dog is, because... Look, I've been through numerous times through this stupid go ask this person, and they said that you would know, so I just want to know!
Out that door.
This one?
Indeed.
Thank you very much, Blue Man.
You are not welcome.